everybody, welcome back to The Raw Edge. I'm High Raw Nick, and I'm here to help you eat more raw foods, get you on your health and fitness goals, and help you realize a happy, healthier life. Today I'm going to show you how to make my chili lime ranch. This is probably the dressing that I have most often on my salads. It's really good. Depends on having good limes. If you can find good limes, this is going to be amazing. We're using hemp seeds as a base for this dressing, and also using some walnuts for some extra buttery goodness. If you're looking for an alternative to bottled dressings or even homemade dressings that may have higher oil content in them, this is really good. It's low in omega-6 fat, high in omega-3 fat, and full of raw, easily digestible, easily absorbable nutrition. Alright, so to start off, we'll start with our base for the dressing, which is going to be hemp seeds. These are my favorite, of course. I like to use them a lot. They'll be really good in here, really nutty, really good balanced fats in hemp seeds. We're also going to add half a cup of walnuts to give it a little bit more of a buttery texture. And some fresh ingredients, about 5 to 7 cloves of garlic and a little bit of serrano pepper if you're feeling adventurous. And then I've got some really good, my favorite citrus juice lime for this dressing. Let's see, how much is in this? It has little markings on here. So this is about 4 ounces, half a cup of lime juice going into the blender. Alright, so now it's time to spice things up. And you guys know I love spice. We'll start with the tame stuff first, for those of you who don't like spice. We're going to do a tablespoon of onion powder. Oh, sorry, a teaspoon of onion powder. A tablespoon, that would be way too much. A teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of cumin. I really like using cumin because it gives it a really rounded, kind of smoky flavor. So, really nice addition. Also a teaspoon of ancho chili powder. You guys know I love this stuff. And then, little new ingredient that I've been trying, some white pepper. I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of that into here. There we go. Ooh. And then just a little bit of oregano. Maybe like half a tablespoon. And you know, we already used the white pepper, so I think the black pepper will be overkill. We'll just skip that. Alright, and now let's go over here to the corner where the cord reaches. Whoops. I dropped y'all. Let's get this repositioned. Okay, let's blend it out. And then a little taste test, make sure we're on the right track here. Ooh, I like it with the walnut in there. And I think we're done.
All right, check out this dressing. It's a little thick, but that's good because it's like I like to make like a salad spread so you can store your salad overnight and it doesn't get watery. You know, I severely underestimate how manicured something like this spread is. That took me like way longer than it should have. But doesn't it look really good? Ooh, look at all that. So for the base of the salad, I'm going to be using a head of romaine lettuce, a bunch of green onion, some of this cauliflower, not the whole thing, probably all of this broccoli, some white onion, a couple apples, some red bell pepper that I had in the fridge already, a whole tub of spring mix, and then I will top it with some cherry tomatoes. Wait, well, what kind of tomatoes are these? Just tomatoes and hydroponically grown.
Alright guys, check it out. We got our chili lime ranch and a feast of veggies and greens and vegetables and fruit. And this is life, guys. Look at that. You're gonna get in so many good foods by eating a dressing like this. And it's gonna help you eat a lot more vegetables, a lot more fiber, and get your metabolism boosted, which is going to help you boost your immune system, help you maintain a healthy weight, and help you unlock your body's healing potential. All right, so I'm gonna go outside and photograph this, and I guess that's all for today, guys. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when I upload new content. And I'll see you next time. This is Hi-Raw Nick, signing out. And this is reality. Whoop.